Hello, I'm Shaun Ryan. I'm here at the Yew Garden Nursery in one of my favourite places. This is the Houseplant greenhouse. Now, if you've got some really bright rooms, I'm thinking about maybe a bright living room, a bright hallway, maybe a bedroom that gets lots of sunshine, all of these plants really would appreciate lots of sunlight. And I'm going to start with the Monstera deliciosa. Now, a lot of you may know this as the Swiss cheese plant. I actually had one of these as a child, absolutely loved it. And what is amazing, as the plant matures with age, it gets better looking. It actually gets a little bit more exciting. The leaves, let me just show you some of the mature leaves. Like this one here, they start to get lots of what we call fenestrations, these lovely holes in the leaf. That's why it's called the Swiss cheese plant. Does grow big, this one, to bear that in mind, could grow to about 2 meters in the next several years. Then this really cute one at the front, this is Pachira Aquatica. I know it's a string of hearts, and it's a beautiful trailing plant. And actually, when you look at the leaves, every single one of them is heart-shaped. And then they've got these incredible markings as well. Fairly easy to grow, that one, and can trail at least a couple of meters. This stunning plant in front of me is known as a codeum. Some people call it croton plant. I actually know this as Joseph's coat, and you can see why. This is the plant of many colours, it really is. If you look at the leaves, you've got oranges and pinks and yellows and greens. I mean, it's just stunning. It's so vibrant. Comes from Southeast Asia. It can grow outside beautifully there, but it makes the most magnificent houseplant. It really does light up any room. Then we have got this one. I know this is a string of beads, but it is actually the Senecio Rollianus, and it's a lovely trailing plant. I mean, imagine this on a bookshelf. Imagine this on a little table just trailing down. And this one has the most incredible leaves that are like mini beads, and they actually store water. So give this a good drink and then don't water it for quite a few weeks, because it will actually store the water. So really nice and drought tolerant. And then finally, one of my favorites, this one. I know as the money tree, but its true name is Pachira Aquatica. Naturally grows near swamps, but it makes the most incredible houseplant. Now, there are many myths and beliefs with this one, prosperity being one of them. It is said that if you've got one of these in your home, it can bring you prosperity. It's only a myth and belief. But for extra luck, just look at this. Can you see how you get 5 leaves on one stem? If you ever see 6 or 7, that means fortune may be on its way. I can't guarantee any of this, by the way, but it is a lovely looking plant, and again, will really make such an impact on any room. And this is important. When you are thinking about houseplants, I can honestly say that they transform rooms. And not only do they change things visually, they affect the feel of a room as well. When you've got living, breathing plants around you, it really is quite magical. If you'd like to order any of these, all you need to do is shop Yew Garden at My Garden Escape on QVCUK.com.